Waterfall and Paper Boat. Waterfall crashes white. Paper boat floats by, carrying a red rose, flanked by 2 yellow roses, hiding love under their thorns. Paper boat held aloft by rushing rapids, ready to ride the waves, unwilling to accept the water washing away everything that could have been, disintegrating the paper boat, releasing first a yellow rose, the red rose clinging by a thorn. As the second yellow rose falls overboard, the paper boat, the red rose, slide over the waterfall, clinging to one another, thorn punching through as they crash into the pool below. Paper and rose, waterfall crashing white, yellow petals lost in the crash, white and red drowning together beneath the waterfall.